Drying the area completely before applying new silicone caulk is essential because silicone will not bond to wet surfaces and trapped moisture can cause new mold growth. When preparing a joint for silicone caulk, remove old caulk and clean all residues using a rag and a mild detergent or isopropyl alcohol for best adhesion. Any soap film left behind can interfere with the cure. After cleaning, feel the substrate with a clean finger or paper towel to detect hidden damp spots. And follow up by forcing dry the area with a hair dryer on medium heat held at least 6 inches away until no warmth or dampness is felt. For porous materials like grout or unglazed tile, allow extra drying time by letting the area sit overnight so internal moisture can evaporate, because surface dryness alone is not always enough. When working in tight corners or deep gaps, use a folded rag or absorbent cotton swab to reach and remove moisture from recesses before tooling the bead. If you must work in a humid environment, run a portable dehumidifier or ensure good ventilation for several hours prior to application to lower relative humidity and speed cure. Finally, press a small test bead on an inconspicuous spot and check after 30 minutes for proper tack and adhesion before completing the entire job. Common mistakes include applying silicone to a surface that feels only superficially dry, which leads to poor adhesion and eventual peeling, so always employ the absorbent touch test and, when in doubt, wait overnight. Another mistake is relying solely on ambient air to dry high humidity spaces, which can trap moisture under the bead and promote mold growth. Mitigate that by using a hairdryer or dehumidifier and increasing ventilation. A third frequent issue is not removing old caulk or contaminants thoroughly, which prevents a proper bond. Remove old material mechanically, clean with alcohol, and ensure no soap film remains before caulking. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing professionals and providing project categories that match the moisture management tasks we just discussed. We use our discussion community so homeowners and contractors can exchange tips, ask questions, and find work or hire for the right jobs.